Dinosaurs and the Bible. Did God create dinosaurs, or are they the result of sin? By Raul Esperante. The conventional evolutionary model faces numerous difficulties in explaining both the origin and the disappearance of the dinosaurs. Is it possible to study the dinosaurs and other fossils from a perspective consistent with a biblical account of creation? Were dinosaurs the result of millions of years of evolution, or were they created by God? These questions are important for believers because the Bible says God created the animals and so that his creation was good. Were there good dinosaurs? How do they fit into this picture? The book of Genesis says that God created living creatures after their kind and beasts, snakes and land animals after their kind. Genesis 1:20, for on the sixth day of creation week were dinosaurs created on that day, and to all the beasts of the earth and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it. I give every green plant for food. Genesis 1:30. Can we really fit the ferocious carnivorous dinosaurs in this newly created vegetarian perfect world? The biblical account, Genesis 3:14-19, suggests that the curse that followed the fall of Adam and Eve caused biological changes that led to changes in the diet of many animals, giving rise to the current competitive relationships, predation, and parasitism. Though the Bible does not go into detail on the changes, they are interpreted today as genetic modifications, since we know from science that such major changes would require genetic alteration. Though these changes began immediately, their full manifestation probably occurred over several generations. Recent genetic research has shown that small changes in the activity of regulatory genes can cause major physiological and even anatomical changes. It is important to remember that those organisms who died in the flood and were preserved as fossils lived some time after creation and the entrance of sin. Therefore, they do not represent the original physiology of created organisms. Subscribe and like for part 2. Did dinosaurs coexist with humans?